everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a lovely tropical smoothie and my ingredients are low-fat Greek-style yogurt. I've just made up a glass of apple and blackcurrant juice from concentrate. And then my fruits are peach, bananas and pineapple. So let's get started. So I'm going to use half of the pineapple. So I'm going to cut it in half and then slice it. 2 peaches and also 2 bananas. So now I'm just going to show you, I finished preparing the fruit. So there you can see I have my pineapple all diced into cubes. I have a banana sliced and also my peaches are in cubes. So now we're ready to start blending and making our smoothie. So first I'm going to add the pineapple into the smoothie blender, then the peaches, followed by the bananas. Then I'm going to pour in the glass of blackcurrant and apple juice. Followed by the 2 tablespoons of natural Greek yogurt. So then that's all our ingredients added into the smoothie maker. So now all we're left to do is to blend. So now our smoothie is fully blended. All we have to do now is pour into the glass. And so there we have our tropical smoothie all made, delicious and healthy, full of nutrition. If you like this video guys, please remember to like and subscribe below. Leave a comment below if you want. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day.